Dear Lord. Dear Lord, if you're there, as you may or may not know, my Doris, my wife, died yesterday. Now, you know I never ask anything, I never come to you for anything. I don't even know if I'm talking to anyone right now, but if I am, by some miracle, talking to someone and you have a shred of compassion, let me speak to her one last time. Is there anyone up there? Hello? Hello?
Hello, you've reached heaven. Thank you for calling. To send a desperate prayer when things aren't going your way, please press 1. To swear at us when things continue to not go your way, please press 2. To debate whether or not we exist, please press 3. For loyalty card holders, please press 4. To confirm if Elvis is really dead, please press 5. To make a Faustian pact with the devil, please press 6. 3 times. If your name is Tony Blair and you are ready to repay your debt, please press 7. You've been expecting you. To contact a recently deceased family member, please press 8.
Yes, 8, yes.
Your call is important to us. A member of the angelic host will be with you shortly.
Hello, thank you for calling Heaven, the Life Helpline Service. My name is Johann Baptista. How may I help you?
Hi. I'd like to contact my wife.
Doris, isn't it?
Yes, how did you know that?
We know everything, sir. We're Heaven.
Right. So, could I?
Just bear with me a second. I'm sorry, sir, but it appears your wife is not on our records.
Well, but she must be. She's dead.
She is dead, sir, just not in heaven.
Well, what do you mean?
Hell, I'm afraid.
Hell! How could she be? She was the kindest person who ever lived.
Says here she was a serial adulterer, sir.
What? Are you sure you've got the right Doris?
Blonde, freckly, blue eyes, never went to church apart from family ceremonies, and once at Easter in 1996 because you fancied the vicar.
Well, that could be anyone.
No, it couldn't, sir. We're Heaven.
But it could, though.
Affairs committed 14th of June 1999 at 10:30 p.m.
That was our wedding day.
15th of June 1999 at 3:30 p.m. 17th of June 5:45 with 3 people at once.
Oh my God.
Sorry, sir. You married a bad egg.
She's in hell, you say?
Yeah.
Let me speak to her.
Sorry, sir. Company policy prohibits contact with people on the naughty list. Nothing but solitary torture and unbearable pain for all eternity.
Can I at least send a message?
Nope.
Please.
Nope.
I think you're being...
Eternal damnation. Damn.
Please,
For all
could you...
eternity.
Please,
Sit
could
down.
you
Naughty
just...
man.
Please, could you just listen to me?
Heaven doesn't tolerate staff abuse, mortal. Goodbye.
Well, that wasn't abuse! Hello, I'm still talking!
How did we do? Customer feedback. We value all your opinions. Call us now or go on.
It's enough to make you atheist.